welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to import fonts that you've downloaded from an external site into Cricut Design Space. So one of my favorite sites to use is called Creative Fabrica. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite sites are. So if you go into their website, you can actually create a profile for yourself, and that will enable you to daily gifts, which is a free font, SVG, graphics, things like that. But also, if you look on the right hand side here, there's a whole tab with freebies. So also fonts, SVGs, graphics, embroidery, as well as free classes. So if you go into the free font section, you will see that they have so many options for free fonts. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can choose one depending on whatever project you're busy with. So if we go on this one, Melody Stories, we click on it, click on the download button, and depending on your system, whether it's Windows or Mac or whatever it is, mine, because it's Windows, goes to my download folder. If you then go into your downloads folder in Windows Explorer, you'll see the font that you've downloaded in the download section. You can then right click on that, click on extract all, extract, and then you right click on this again. Mine is a little bit hidden, but if you click on show more options, you click on install, and that will install the font onto your computer. If you had Design Space open the entire time while you were busy downloading the font, make sure to close it down and open it back up for the changes to take effect. Because then what you'll do is you'll go into new project, onto text, and then you'll go looking for the font that you just downloaded. So ours was Melody Stories. You can just type it in the search bar and it should pop up there. Then you can go and change it for your specific project, whatever you're busy with. So let me know in the comment section what your favorite download sites are for fonts, SVGs, those type of things. If you have any specific questions related to this, or if there's any other specific tutorials that you would be interested in. So like and subscribe, don't miss anything, and I'll see you on the next video.